Here I have VIVO X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera audio control on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the more settings, and here you have to go to the shutter section and enable voice. Say cheese to take photos. So now let's try it out. So cheese, and as you can see it works just perfectly. Let's give it another try. Cheese. Nice. Awesome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.